Okay, there was a question posed about how to use the Co-Browser annotation. So what you're going to do is once you've launched your Co-Browser, let's say we want to write on this. Right over here on the left, we have the Web Paint tools. And what you can do is right now, you have to remember launch for the students so everybody would see it. If you don't want the students to write on it, you lock it. But if you do want to let them write on it, you can unlock after. So these are your web tools, and there's certain things you can do. You have your draw tool. You also have the colors. Pick a color right there. That's to pick the colors, the drawing of the lines, the eraser here. Okay, so to draw, you would just grab the pencil and you could draw. You can give your students access, and then you can use it in the Co-Browser together. And then if you need to erase it, or if you need to use something within the slide, then you would just clear here. You can clear it and then make sure you back out of it. Now, the only issue that we have seen with the draw tool is there is a small issue that if you are going to be using text and an embed like Genially, so what would happen is every time you put a space, it's going to change the slide. So that's the only thing that I've encountered with that, but that's okay because then I know that if I have to ask questions, we just go right back to the collaborative whiteboard. So we do have that tool. It's right here inside of the Co-Browser. It's been here as long as I've been using it, so I've never seen it without an annotation tool. And then you have all of the access here to the different tools and the transparencies and sizes. And you have different things, like if you're going to, let's say, put the circle, and let's say we want to fill it, let's fill it, and then we just grab the bucket and we fill it. Oh, didn't fill the other one. Always something fun to learn. I hope that answers your question. And if you have any more, don't hesitate to ask us. Bye.